In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a bank transfer in QuickBooks Online. We'll keep this simple and clear. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to move money between your accounts and keep your books accurate. A transfer in QuickBooks is used when you're moving funds from one account you own to another, like from checking to savings or from checking to a credit card account to record a payment. Start by opening your browser, heading to QuickBooks Online, and signing in to your company account. If you manage more than one company, make sure you're in the correct file so the transfer lands in the right books. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Create. This opens a menu of common transactions. Under the section labeled Other, choose Transfer. This is the specific form designed for moving money between your own accounts, so you don't have to use a journal entry or a workaround. Now select the accounts involved. In the Transfer Funds From field, pick the account the money is coming out of. In the Transfer Funds To field, choose the account that's receiving the money. Take a second here to double-check the direction. This is a common place for mistakes. For example, if you're paying down a credit card from your checking account, the From account is checking and the To account is the credit card. Next, enter the exact amount you're moving. Type it as a positive number and include cents if needed. Accuracy here helps avoid reconciliation headaches later. Choose the date of the transfer. It's best to match the date that appears on your bank statement or the date you actually move the funds, so your bank feeds and reconciliations line up cleanly. If you're entering a past transfer, backdating it to the actual transfer date keeps your timeline correct. You can add a memo if you want. This is optional, but it's great for clarity. Add a brief note like the purpose of the transfer, a reference number, or any detail that will help you or your accountant understand the movement at a glance in the future. When everything looks right, save your work. Click Save and Close if you're done, or choose Save and New if you have more transfers to record. QuickBooks immediately posts the entry and updates both account registers so your balances reflect the move. That's it. You've recorded a clean, traceable bank transfer in QuickBooks Online, keeping your accounts accurate and your audit trail clear.